Hi, we're gonna find that. Today we are going to make something, and this is a special episode.
Special episode? Why?
Because it's special.
Yeah, all episodes are special?
Yeah.
Or maybe it's special because we have this.
Whoa, what is it?
It's a take-apart crane.
Oh, a take-apart crane. You're the best.
Oh, thank you.
Whoa, the claw. The biggest part is coming out. Let's organize all this stuff. I gotta take this orange piece. That's all.
No, wait, you forgot something.
Oh, it's drill. You're the best, Dada.
Thank you.
I forgot something. Hug and kiss.
Oh. Love you.
I love you too. Ready. Oh, and there is the orange piece and the screwdriver. I gotta make this stand up. Ready. Now the wheels. For what?
Goes in there.
Here? Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Hold it, hold it, hold it. Done. It does!
Wow.
Sorry. It's okay, Chomp. Whoa! It looks like a dinosaur. The wheel. Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Done? I am done.
That's so cool.
I just finished the Take-Apart Crane by Dada.
By Battat.
By Battat. I love it. Thank you, like and subscribe. Bye.
Incredible! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Now I'm gonna play with it.